Hi everyone. I know it's not quite school time yet, but it's not too soon to start thinking about after-school snacks. How would you like to make a fun after-school snack with your kids or grandkids? Let's make Twinkie hot dogs. What all goes into the Twinkie hot dogs? 8 Twinkies. I'll probably only do 4 because it's just me and Dave. White sesame seeds, 4 Twix bars or 8 halves. My store was all out of the Twix. Can you believe that? All they had was a fun size. So I bought the Great Value cookie and caramel bar, red squeeze icing gel, and yellow squeeze icing gel. All they had was orange. So I bought some regular frosting. I've got my own frosting gel. I'll be squeezing it out myself. So let's begin. I think I will make 6 of the Twinkie hot dogs. Why not? So the first thing I want to do is make the frosting that I didn't have. So I have some cream cheese frosting and some golden yellow gel food dye. We're going to want to make this the color of mustard. So let's see if I can do that. Well, it's a little bit oranger than I would like. So I am going to add a little bit more frosting. Okay, so that does look kind of like prepared mustard. I'll set that aside. Take your Twinkies. You want to cut them all the way lengthwise, but not all the way through. We want to make this into a hot dog bun. So you can spread them out like that. Then take your white sesame seeds and sprinkle them over the Twinkie so it looks like a seeded bun. Then take your 1 Twix bar and I'm going to stick it in sideways because it is almost bigger than the bun. Like so. It's already looking like a hot dog. Then take your red icing and just do kind of squiggly lines. So it looks like ketchup. And if you don't want mustard, you don't have to make mustard. I like ketchup and mustard on my hot dogs. I'd much rather have the yellow gel than the frosting, but this will work. So then do squiggly lines. Of your mustard. And there you have it. I'll finish making up the last 4, and then when Dave gets home, we'll do a taste test. So here are the Twinkie hot dogs. Let's see what Dave thinks. Are you hungry for hot dogs?
Is that a Twix?
It is. Those are Twinkie hot dogs.
What is the not mustard and not ketchup made of?
The not ketchup is red icing gel, and then the yellow mustard is colored frosting.
Well, they're good. I was thinking it was going to be like super rich. It's not super rich. Like I'd say, kind of like them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.